wonderful fried foods and donuts and stuff. And I thought it was a picture on my camera because it was really blurry and I deleted it. So it's Tuesday, it's close to 1 o'clock, and we just had donuts. And I deleted the video with the donuts in it, and I can't believe I just did that. But yeah, it's like pouring cats and dogs outside right now. And it's thundering and you can't hear it, but it's really cool. Today maybe I played Where's the Bacon, and the kids went nuts. It was insane. It was really super fun. Now we're just trying to figure out games that we're going to play for youth group, and then hopefully we'll get that done. And yeah. Hi guys. Say hi because I deleted the video. You deleted the donut video. I can't believe I did. Hi. What's up? Hi. We're going out in the rain. If you can't tell, it's really, super loud. Oh my god, it's like a tsunami. We're gonna die out here. We're gonna get like hit by lightning or something. That would be really scary. We're gonna go get wet, hopefully, and not die on the rooftop. Get blown away. Oh, so we made up this thing. She's lion. She's got lots of hair. I'm a rooster because I can make rooster noises. Lion. Mikey's a puppy. Angel's a sandhill crane. And just so on, Abby's a bunny. We just had fun last night. Making fun of each other and our qualities and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go out in the rain. Hey Krista, come here real quick. Oh, so we just went off on the roof. Here. We're gonna go take a picture of all of us on someone's camera. Let's take a picture. Hold on.
Rain, rain on my face. Hasn't stopped raining for days.
It's running up.
My world is a flood. Slowly I become one with the mud.
We're recording.
You're recording?
Recording. There's pizza. Oh my gosh, it's pizza.